Hey there traders, David here of TradingFibs.com and Marketfy to bring you the midday recap for August 15, 2014. As always, please seek financial advisement when trading with your money. These videos are for educational purposes only. Support your knowledge in the market. See what's going through my head on any given day. Always make sure you have a solid trading plan and never move your stop when placing a trade. And that's what it was all about, having a solid trading plan. In my nightly emails showing that looking for bias continues to the upside for Friday, but would not be surprised if price action breaks down. And that is exactly what happened. As we see, we have been unable to break that 200 period moving average. Swing size hourly coming down with volume at 89,718. We are at West Coast time. We are at 9:15. Taking a look at our 50% increase, we are almost at the 9:30 hour, looking for a 50% increase of 71,799, right on track to heavy volume for the day. And our swing size hourly now at the 1132, which we just hit on the crossover downside. As we can see, Fibonacci targets holding up, and it was the RVX coming up. But looking at the market internals of all the four major indices, biased to the downside as market breadth in the morning session was in the green, and AD line was also in the green, following suit of AD line, the Russell AD line, which really had a tough time getting something going this morning, which would have, looking for the bias to the upside, would have gotten you some nice ticks here at the opening part of the session, but unable to hold up as AD line never really got anything going. And as we could see back on the tick count for the Russell, really in the morning session was split, but nothing strong in momentous trend. It was all about the downside here as market turned around for the session. Taking a look here at the big picture as market action just tore down on a 2-bar confirmation right up here in the 25-minute open range, as we could see here. Nicely set up right here. 1 bar, 2 bar right here at the 7:41. That's West Coast time. 7:40, 7:41. Again, looking in the morning session, was looking for the upside as we had 2-bar confirmation. 2-bar confirmation crossover. Your initial stop would have been here. Your initial stop would have been here. Take a look at the 534 EMA crossover. And the 534 EMA crossover in the morning session, you did have a break side up here, but just nothing to get it going. That AD line was stalling. Second opportunity was the 25-minute open range, 1 hour open range target up here. Could have gotten some ticks, but looking for the downside was the better probability as volume was low for the last couple days and market action was just not moving at the pace as it did for the downside. So taking a look at the 2-bar confirmation entry to the downside right here. This is the first chart. 1 bar, 2-bar confirmation at 7:41. Let's go ahead and open this up here as we see the crossover here at 7:41 simultaneously. 5:13.21.80, as we can see, we've been all under this morning. 5:13.21 and 80. Beautiful entry right here at 7:41, 7:42. Let's go ahead and maximize these charts so you can see that again. 1 bar, 2-bar confirmation at 7:41 as AD line turns south, tick count turns south. Here's my entry. And on a Russell, we had a Russell, obviously, index coming all the way down. And 5 under 13, under 21, under 80. It took a while to get there, but keeping you in the trend as market action just continued downside. So it really was this chart right here that keeps you in the trade. This is all you need to look at once the trade is on. And as you can see, all I was doing was moving my stop down. Currently still on the trade, but all you got to do is just keep moving your stop. As price action might end up coming upside, very good possibility. as we've had this drop down. But again, right here, 741, keep you in the trade the entire time. 5 under 34 exponential moving average. Significant lines that we hit on the way down include the average move down 1140.9, swinging below CAM L4, coming under the weekly open price, hitting the swing size hourly down, and we are now at a daily pivot, daily resistance or daily support line, where we have our daily pivot, and it appears we are at our S3, daily S3 hold up, which is right underneath the swing size hourly down. Looking at the other 3 indices, the picture, NQ coming down, YM, also ES. Getting a little choppy as you had the 534 EMA crossover. It's the TF that looked the best of all 4 indices. Again, keeping you under the 5 under the 34 EMA as market action broke down in the 25-minute open range. And from there, it was all downside. 5 under 34 EMA looks a lot better than our 3 other major indices today. That concludes today's midday recap. Feel free to stop by at tradingfibs.com or any of my social media outlets to obtain more information. My mantra is to know one thing and know it well. Doesn't matter whether you trade the ES or Apple. My plan will keep you disciplined. You can find me every day on Twitter at Trading Fibs and here at Marketfy. And always, I leave the crystal ball to the experts. Hey, guys and gals. This morning, price action coming down. And actually, overnight session. Nice jump up. Might have seen that price action might have continued upside today, but that wasn't the plan. The plan was in either direction, was ready. On a 2-bar confirmation, 534 EMA crossover happened twice in the early morning session. First 30 minutes of trading, but it was the breakdown here at post 1 hour of trading. It came all the way down and put ticks in the pocket. I only trade what's in front of me and on my charts. Hey guys, have yourself a blue zone day.